Hi guys, this is Crafty Cat. Welcome back to my channel and welcome if you're new. We are here with day 16 of our Advent calendar diamond painting unboxing. Day 16. Can you believe it already? So we only have 1, 2, 3 more rows to go. 3, 6, 9 more. 8 after this one. So I'm still really super enjoying this, and I hope you are too. So let's see if we can pry this open. Yay! And I don't know if it's going to come out if I tilt it forward. It is. Just enough that I could grab it. And oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. What is that? It's a little snowman holding an umbrella. I love this one so much. This is so unique and cute. Oh, day 16. You are awesome. I love this one. Look how cute the snowman is. That is adorable. So I see it's got the little blue snowflakes. Those are the ones I ran out of, and I had to go in my stash to find them. So, yeah. Anyway, I will set this up, and I will do a whip in no chat. I'll just work on these and diamond paint these in fast forward with some music for you guys, and we'll come back and look at it together. So with the magic of editing, all right, guys, here is our little snow person. Super cute. I don't know what these, oh, the nose. I was wondering what these orange things were, the nose. So the face is just a partial drill. You can see the eyes, and you can see the mouth and the lips. I think that's the only way they could have got away with it, because if we tried to fill that in, it would just be a blob. So, it's super cute. And let's see the back. Now that I know that I have to peel these off, I had no idea, you guys, no clue that there was a film back here. Look at the difference. And the back is super shiny and pretty. So it looks nice on both sides now. And the just really sparkles better with that back off of it because the light comes through. Look at that sparkle. So you guys, this is so cute. I just love it so much. And I hope you love it too. So anyway, you guys, thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed this. If you did, please give me a thumbs up. Hit that like button. Hit the subscribe. Hit the notification bell. And all of those good things that help me as a growing channel. And thank you also for your support. Most importantly of all, take care. Stay safe. Happy crafting. And Merry Christmas. Bye, guys.